Hi everyone, this is Matt Heinrich with Affiliated Control Equipment, and today I want to give a quick tutorial on how to use Banner's safety controller software. That's for either their SC26 or their new SC10 safety controllers. So let's jump right into it. So first, I'm going to show you where to get the software from. So if you go to Banner's website and you go to Products and Software, you can select Machine Safety Software. And there's a couple different ones. I'm worried about the safety controller software, so you'll just click Read More, scroll down, and you'll see Safety Controller PC Interface. All Banner softwares are free, so all you have to do is click that. It's a really quick download, and I've already got it downloaded as you saw before. So I'm going to jump into it. So when you first load the software, this is the screen it'll bring you to, and you have to select which series you're working with, so either the 26 series or the new SC10. The application I'm going to be going over today is a simple light curtain guarding application, only a couple light curtains on there, so I can get away with the SC10 smaller controller. So then you'll just click Continue, and it'll ask you to load a new project. I'm only doing a demo today, so I'll just go Demo for this, and click OK, and you can add notes, author if you want to. And it'll actually start you on this screen for the SC10. There really aren't many expansions you can do to it. If you were to go with an SC26, you can add output cards and input cards, so you can actually expand from left to right that way. With the SC10, I'm just going to keep it with the base unit, and then I'm going to switch over to functional view. So this is where you're going to start setting up your different input devices and logic. And like I said, I'm doing a light curtain application, and I'm actually going to guard all four sides with different sets of light curtains. So I'm going to go to Safety Inputs, and light curtains in Banner software are called optical sensors. So you can see it actually assigns input 1 and input 2. For my light curtain, you can name the curtain if you want. I'm just going to leave it as default. And I've got 4 curtains. And you see each one, it's actually doing assigning the wiring for you, which is nice. So input 5 and 6 for my third curtain. And then 7 and 8. Actually, it's using the selectable I/O 1 and 2 for the fourth curtain. So I've got 4 curtains now, and I want to tie all of them together. So I'm going to pop in an AND function with 4 input nodes. And it's as simple as dragging lines from my input devices to the input on the block there. Missed that one. And then dragging that to my safety output. So you'll see over here the configuration is valid. That's good. And what you want to do is then enter simulation mode. So it's another nice part of Banner software is you can simulate your setup before actually purchasing anything to make sure you're on the right track. So I'm going to click play and then activate each of my light curtains. So you can see once all 4 are activated into the AND block, my safety output is on, and you run that to your controller or a contactor so you can give your machine power. And then if I were to trip one, I lose that output. So it's as simple as that. One thing that a lot of people like to do, and I think it's a good practice on light curtains, is to do a manual reset. So just because you pull your hand out of the safety curtain, you don't necessarily want your machine to start up right away. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So I'm going to delete my output line here. I'm going to go into function block and add latch reset block is what it's called. And choose the standard version. Then I'm going to drag my AND line to the input, my reset or LR from this block, and so you set this up as just a touch button or something of that nature. Then I'm going to drag that line to the output. So my configuration is again valid. Go to simulation mode, click play, and then satisfy all the light curtains. Click my reset, and you'll see it goes green. And now, if I were to break one of my light curtains and turn it right back on, it doesn't actually go green yet because it wants me to satisfy clicking the button again, and I'm good to go. So that's basically all there is to it. It's a really intuitive software. You can get your wiring diagram if you want to look at your ladder logic, configuration summary, all that is available. The software really does make it easy for doing those safety applications. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at Affiliated Control Equipment or drop a comment below if you'd like to see any other videos. Thanks. Bye.